also kind of want to just say, I enjoy doing my homesteading. I appreciate those of you who watch the videos when I put up my homesteading and my gardening things. It means a lot to me. I love bringing you news that you can use, but sometimes when I bring news you can use, there are people that come to the channel, not you guys, that come to the channel, and I invite everyone to come. But I make explanations in those particular news stories, like the one that I just did in particular, the one that I did concerning China, US, India, those types of things. Just for people to come and ask the craziest questions. You know, this is not fear mongering. This is me spreading the news that's already out there for you to see. What you do with it is your own business. I encourage you, regardless if I'm doing news or if I'm doing what I'm doing in this video, to grow your own food, to raise your own animals if you can. If not, go find a farmer that does and support them, your local farmer. Okay? But definitely growing your own food. If you can get 2 hens that can lay for you, that'll save you some money. Also on buying these expensive eggs, the price of... That's what the eggs look like over here. Prices are still high. Oh Lord, the prices are even higher. Remember I brought y'all in, well not this store, but the other stores, they were $19. This is how much the eggs are now. The food is skyrocketing, okay? So I thank you again. I appreciate all of you for coming in and supporting these types of videos, because that's what matters. How you survive matters, not dependent on the government in these situations when they make these viruses in the lab or whatever they do, release them, i.e. 2020. But y'all take care, stay safe. It's flu season, it's RSV season, it's this new thing out here season. So because this is the beginning of the video. I'm so tired, y'all been working all day. So I'm sorry for the late video. Definitely support it by hitting the like, leaving plenty of comments. And I love you, but God truly loves you more. Let's get to it. Come on.
I try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. And I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
Best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Sometimes I can't see
feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
Got a dozen eggs.
I'll give you my everything. It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see.
Okay, so as you can see here, some of them are laying down and some of them are tilted. The ones that are tilted are at least 1 to 2 weeks old that I might not have seen. Maybe they buried them under the hay inside of their coop. In their nesting box. And then the ones that's laying down are freshly laid. I don't see any that's floating. So what I'm going to do to make sure is to take all of them out, put one in at a time, and then see if it floats, tilts, or lays flat. So guys, I want you to know that bird flu is serious. That's probably why the price of eggs have gone up. There are cows that are infected with bird flu as well. The U.S. has had its first death related to bird flu in the state of Louisiana. It was a person 65 years old with underlying health conditions who was in contact with deceased birds and sick birds in their backyard. So they don't think that that is spreading human to human, but I wanted to let you know. So if you are thinking about getting chickens, definitely be careful. And when you have one that passes away, because that does happen, make sure that you are using gloves when doing that and wearing a mask. I'm gonna put 4 in at a time. Okay, so these 4 are good. I'm gonna take those out and put 4 more in. You can't put a bunch of them in at the same time. Okay, y'all, so now it is time. You saw me get the chicken squared away. That was actually 2 days ago. And I'm just now getting to going through some of my seeds here. We're gonna do some winter seed droppings, whatever, how you wanna say it, seed drop, the winter seed drop. There are certain things that I want to do. Like I want to definitely start the basil. And I'm going to start some broccoli. I hope I have some broccoli and some other herbs and onions as well. Normally I would just buy onions already grown because they work better for me. But I'm gonna try the seed thing and we're gonna see how it works. Okay, I had to stop the camera. I actually didn't stop the camera, but my dog hears the dog in the back barking, so now she's barking. So I'm going to start some kale. I'm also gonna start some carrots now. Actually, carrots, I would prefer to direct sow them. So I'm gonna hold off on those. Collards. Turnips, I'm gonna do later. Arugula. I've never eaten Swiss chard before, but I hear so many good things about it. So we're going to do Swiss chard. Y'all look at these radish. Look at that. Interesting. I'm not gonna do those, but interesting. I've never eaten a radish before. I think these will be better for me. I will throw in some cabbage. Hide and see with the lettuce because I'm growing inside of my sunroom, y'all. And I think it'll be okay. I found some broccoli, but this is all I have. So I'm definitely gonna have to either order some from Baker Creek or go to M.I. Gardner and order some. These are collards that are already open. So the ones that I just showed you, I'm not gonna open those. I'm gonna go ahead and use these right here. I found some asparagus out there. And I already said, wherever you put asparagus, that needs to be where it is because I think, do they come back or not? Y'all let me know. Beets. All of these things are gonna be lined along my fence. So I've already figured out where I'm gonna put those. Chinese celery. I didn't have the other celery. But I think what I'm gonna do when I juice my stuff, I'm gonna save the bottom piece to the celery and regrow it, propagate it. Onions right here. I'm gonna do those. Those are Vidalia, and then these are rosemary. So tomorrow we're going to drop these seeds, and I'll see y'all. So in the next video, we will start our seed starting. I'm gonna get this cleaned up beforehand. Here, I've already pulled out. I have my seed sitting here that I'm going to drop. And then I have one light here, one light here. And of course I have my light down here. But I don't need those to drop seeds. I'm just gonna drop seeds because this is a sunroom and it gets sun, so I don't have to use those lights right now. I went out and bought potting mix because I'm gonna up pot my pineapple to a bigger container. And this is some seed starting mix. I already had a little bit here, but I like to add fresh to this. So I will be adding this to it. I'm also going to be mixing in some peat moss, some perlite. Well, that's vermiculite. And then, where's my perlite? Where's my perlite? I don't know what I did with it. It's somewhere in here. I have some perlite in here somewhere. So I'm going to be adding all of that to it. And we're going to start getting these winter seeds sown.
Waste of words, waste of breath, 'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts stay burned inside my chest. Can't take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes to come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. There's ways to go, ways to leave. Been thinking about them all, 'cause life's too hard, life's too mean. But I can't just jump and fall.